Well, I got the block back from the machinist and everything went well, all but one problem. The day I went to get it, in blows a sandstorm. And despite it being bagged up, there's still dirt and trash inside the motor. So I'm going to roll it outside and put a tarp under it, throw some kitty litter down to catch the debris, and the mineral spirits. I'm going to use a spray gun to spray it down. And of course I'm going to be wearing a full face mask, hat, and a respirator while I'm doing this. But I gotta have a day that doesn't have a lot of wind. I don't want it carrying that mineral spirits all over my yard. I want to kind of keep it isolated. So, waiting for a weather day. Well, the light's not so good in here, but I got the block prepped. All the surfaces cleaned up. I had low wind today, so I got all the sand out of it again. And treated everything. It's, you know, all the cylinders, bearing surfaces and such with WD-40 to keep it rusting. And then I got a monster bag here. I'm going to bag it up for next time.